Hello everybody, got a really short video here today on when you have a boat with the messed up threads on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see these or not, but the threads are messed up on it. I kind of did this one just for an example so we could use it because I couldn't find one that I had laying around messed up. But when you have one like that and you can't get it to start in a hole that's threaded, or if you can't get the nut to go onto them, and this one wants to go on crooked and it don't want to turn after you try to get it on there. So easy way to fix these is if you have a bench grinder. I'll try to get a good view here if possible. But you just take your bench grinder and you turn it on and you kind of hold it at an angle, something like that, maybe a 45 or so, and just kind of grind it and take just a little bit off of it and try your nut on it, and do that a few times and you should be able to get it. We'll go ahead and try this one. It'll be a little noisy here, so apologize for that. So, after you do that, you can kind of straighten the end out here a little more if you wanted to, by just taking it flat up against there and smoothing it back out. And you may have to go around it real quick to take the little burr off of it. But that one, with a little bit I ground off of it, now we can take the nut and it'll turn right onto it. Pretty simple, easy fix. The smoother the wheel you have, this here grinding wheel I have on this is very coarse. But if you have a smoother one like I have on the other side here, it does a lot better job. So, easy way to fix them. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.